So we're on our way to get baby girl's vaccines. I think I'm gonna cry more than her. Well, I'm already at the clinic, so let's go. We're actually on time today. Look at me. All right, so we just left and they put baby girl to sleep. Look at my baby. Baby girl is knocked out. She did good though. She did good. She did better than I thought she was. Cause she is a big baby, but that's my baby, so it's okay. Oh, the loudness of New York City. They got my baby jumping. She's not used to this. She's used to the peace and quiet. Now I have to stop for my New York hero. As J-Lo said, if you know, you know. On my way back home, it is now 5 p.m. Long, long day for me and baby girl.